The doctor's advice. A man goes to the doctor and says, "Doc, I think my wife is going deaf. What should I do?" The doctor replies, "Try this test. Stand behind her and ask her something. If she doesn't respond, move closer and ask again until she hears you." That evening, the man stands about 10 feet behind his wife while she's cooking and asks, "Honey, what's for dinner?" No response. He moves closer, about 5 feet away, and asks again, "Honey, what's for dinner?" Still no response. He moves right behind her and says, "Honey, what's for dinner?" She turns around and says, for the third time, "It's chicken."